1 minus log 5. That's all. 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2 equal to dash. First of all, log 0, log 2, log 9 by 8, log 72. So first write problem 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. So write log 3, 2 means a power m, that is 3 square, minus log 2 cubed. M log a right, log a power m, log a power m. That's all. So log 3 square minus 2 log 2 cubed. 3 square mean we know 9. 3 square, 3 into 3, 9. So log 2 cubed, 8. Log 9 minus log 8. Log a minus log b right, log a by b. Or log a by b right, log a minus log b, anyone. So log 9 by 8. So log 9 by 8 is the answer. So once again, 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2 equal dash. So log a minus log b, that is right, log a by b in terms of. So 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. Log 2 mean m log a right, log a power m. Log a power m also right, m log a, anyone. So here log 3 square minus log 2 cubed. Log 3 square mean 3 into 3, not 3 2 ja 6, not right. So 3 square mean 3 into 3, 9, minus 2 cubed, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Log a minus log b right also, log a by b. That means log a mean 9 by 8. That's all. Natural number mean which numbers are starting with 1. So n is the natural number, 1, 2, 3 and so on, take any value. Then 9 power 2n minus 4 power 2n is always divisible by dash. 5, 15, 25, none. So first of all write 9 power 2n minus 4 power 2n. n is natural number, n equal to first 1 take, 9 power 2 into 1 minus 4 power 2 into 1. So 9 power 9, 2 1 ja 2, 9 square means 36, minus 4 square means 16. So 36 minus 16, 20, that value. 20 is divisible by 5, 5 4 ja 20, that's all. Next take 2, n equal to 2 number. 9 power 2 into 2 minus 4 power 2 into 2. 9 power 2 square means 4, 4, 2 2 ja 4. 9 power 4, 9 9 ja 81 into 81 also. 9 power 4, 9 4 times multiplication, 9 9 ja 81, 9 9 ja 81, 81 yes. 1 8 ja 1 8, 8 1 ja 8, 8 8 ja 64, 1 8 8 16, 5 1. So 6 5 6 1 minus 4 power 4, 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64, 64 4 ja 256. So 64 into 4, 4 4 ja 16, 6 4 ja 24, 24 2. So 256. Subtraction 6 5 2 6 6 5 6 1, 256 subtraction 11 minus 6 means 5, 5 minus 5 0, 5 minus 2 3, that's all 6. So that is 6305. So also here ones place, I am already told divisible rule, ones place is a big number, ones place is 5, 0 or 5, that number is divisible by 5. So this is also 20 is also divisible by 5. So 6305 is also divisible by 5. So the total value, any value 9 power 2n minus 4 power 2n is divisible by 5 also. That is the answer. So again, n is a natural number. Natural number means starting with 1 2 3 and so on. We take very least number, small numbers also. So that is the 9 power 2n minus 4 power 2n is always divisible by dash. 5 15 25 none. So first of all 9 power 2n minus 4 power 2n, let n equal to 1. 9 power 2 into 1 minus 4 power 2 into 1. So 9 square mean 9 into 9, 8, 9 square, 9 9 ja 81, 81 minus 4 square 16, 81 minus 16, 81 minus 16. So 11 minus 6 5, So 7 minus 1, 65. 65 divided by 5, that is 13 5 is 65. So 9 square mean 9 9 is 81. 4 square mean 16. 81 minus 16. 11 minus 6 5. 7 minus 1 6. 65. 65 is divisible by 5. So 5 is divisible of factor of 65. 13 5 is 65. So this time 5 is divisible. 15 not divisible. 25 not divisible. So 5 is only divisible. After n equal to 9 power 2 into 2 minus 4 power 2 into 2. Put n equal to 9 power 2 2 is 4 minus 2 2 is 4. 9 power 4 mean 9 9 is 81. 81 into 81 here, right? Multiplication also. So 6561 minus 4 power 4. 4 4 is 16. 16 4 is 64. 64 4 is 256. That is. So subtraction we will get 6305. The divisible rule of 5. In ones place 0 or 5, that number is divisible by 6. That number is divisible by 5. So both numbers are divisible by 5. So 9 power 2n minus 4 power 2n is also divisible by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, any number is divisible by 5. Log of x plus y by 3 equal to 1 by 2 log x plus log y given. So then the value of x by y and plus y by xn. So first of all we remove log terms. So log of x plus y by 3 equal to log a plus log b, right? Log xy power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2, that's all. Both sides log remove. We get x plus y by 3 equal to xy power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 mean root. Root remove by the method of squaring method. So squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So x plus y by 3 whole square equal to xy whole power 1 by 2 whole square. So square root cancel, that means 1 by 2 cancel. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab 2xy by 3 square mean 9. Here equal to xy. So divided xy. X square by xy plus y square by xy also plus 2xy by xy here equal to 9. So cross multiplication we division only xy terms. That is x cancel, we get x by y, plus here also y cancel, we get y by x, plus xy cancel, we get only 2 equal 9. X by y plus y by x equal to 9. 2 will be changed minus 2. So x by y plus y by x equal to 7. 7 is the answer. So C is the answer. First of all, log of x plus y by 3 equal to 1 by 2. Log x plus log y. So first of all we remove log terms. Log of x plus y by 3 equal to 1 by 2, write as power 1 by 2. Log of xy power 1 by 2. Both side log remove. X plus y by 3 equal to xy power 1 by 2. Squaring on, generally 1 by 2 mean root. So root generally remove by the method of squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides we get x plus y by 3 whole square equal to xy power 1 by 2 whole square. Square 2 cancel. This one a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 3 square mean 9 equal to xy. Then we cross multiplication we get x square by xy. Algebra terms and write the different size. So x square by xy plus y square by xy plus 2xy by xy, only constant number 9. So x square okay, x cancel, y square 1y cancel, xy both cancel. After we get x by y plus y by x plus only 2 equal to 9. X by y plus y by x equal to 9 plus 2 will be changed minus 2. X by y plus y by x equal to 9 minus 2, that is the 7. 7 is the answer here. C is the correct. If x square plus y square equal to 6xy given, then 2 log of x plus y. That means 2 log of x plus y a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square mean here a square plus b square already given plus 2ab. We add both sides. we get a plus b whole square. So 2ab here, x square plus y square, 2ab 2xy, here also 6xy plus 2xy adding. So a square plus b square plus 2ab add, we get a plus b whole square. So already given a square plus b square to for 2ab, 2 into here a mean x, b mean y. So 2ab, 2 into a mean x, b means. So a square plus b square plus 2ab, write as a plus b whole square, that means x plus y whole square equal to 6xy plus 2xy, 8xy. So logarithm, take log on both sides. Log of x plus y whole square equal to log of 8xy. So power to change, 2 log of x plus y equal to log a plus log b. Log ab, that is log 8 plus log x plus log y. So log 8 write as log 8 equal to log 2 cubed, that means 3 log 2, that's also because of 2 power of 2. So log 2 cubed plus log x plus log y. So 2 cubed means log a power m, write as m log a, that is m mean 3 log 2 plus log x plus log y. So 3 log 2 plus log x plus log y. So here log x plus log y plus 3 log 2, anyone, no problem, addition. So 3 log 2 plus log x plus log y. First of all, important, once again, if x square plus y square equal to 6xy, then 2 log of x plus y equal to dash. So the terms on in the terms of log term. So log x plus log y plus log 2, log x plus log y plus 2 log 2, log x plus log y plus 3 log 2, last one log xy. So first of all, given x square plus y square equal to 6xy. So here a square plus b square, now the term 2ab term is adding on both sides, we get a plus b whole square. So 2ab adding on both sides, here 2ab, a mean x, b mean y. So 2xy adding on both sides, x square plus y square plus 2xy here adding, and also here also 2xy adding. So a square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square, that means x plus y whole square equal to 6xy plus 2xy, 8xy. So in terms of log, we take log on both sides. Log of x plus y whole square equal to log xy. So power a power m equal to m log a, right? So m mean here 2 log of x plus y. Log abc also write log abc, that is log a plus log b plus log c, right? So log a mean 8, b mean x, c mean y. Right, also 8 is also right, 8 equal to 2 cubed, 8 equal to 2 cubed. So log 2 cubed plus log x plus log y, a power m, same formula, m log a. So m mean 3 log 2 plus log x plus log y. So change log x plus log y plus 3 log 2. So 3 log 2 plus log x plus log y, no problem. That is the C is the correct answer. That is the N.